Hey guys, today I'm bringing you a delicious dessert. This dessert comes from Cuba. It's called Natilla. Natilla basically is a vanilla pudding or vanilla custard. And the ingredients that we're going to be using are 4 egg yolks, a quarter cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half a cup of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and the peel of a lime. So I'm basically separating the yolk from the egg whites. We're going to save the egg whites for another dessert. There's so many ways to make natilla, but I'm going to show you how to make it my way. Sometimes I use evaporated milk when I'm making this dessert, but today I'm just going to use regular milk. I'm going to start beating the eggs. You can use a hand whisk if you don't have an electric beater if you want. Now I'm going to add the sugar. We're adding 2 cups of milk to the pot, lime peel, and 1 cinnamon stick. I'm adding a quarter cup of cornstarch, and at this point you want to keep an eye on this and stir constantly because the milk is going to thicken up really fast, so you want to keep the flame down on medium-low. At this point you want to babysit the milk. You don't want to walk away from it and leave it because it'll burn at the bottom. What you want to do now is take a half a cup of milk out. You want to put it in a separate cup and you want to save it so that you can use that to temper the eggs. Now I'm going to take the milk that I've taken out the pot and I'm going to add it little by little to the eggs and keep stirring. Continue to stir the eggs so that they won't lump up. Now we're going to pour the egg mixture into the milk and continue stirring. After 15 minutes, you should start noticing the milk getting thicker. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Using salt is optional, but I like to use it because it enhances the flavor of the sugar. At this point you can see that the milk is thickening up, so I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick, but I'm going to leave the lime peel in. Now I'm going to remove the lime peel, and in 5 more minutes it will be ready. Well guys, it's finally ready and I'm going to serve it. Well guys, it's been my pleasure teaching you how to make natilla. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Good night. God bless.